In our last photo, we discussed the importance of the yardstick and how to use it. In this video, we are going to be adding lights. You'll see that there is a nice array of different menus at the very bottom. Under lights, we have C9s, C7s, permanent, and mini lights. All these other buttons, when you click them, will cascade out to show their full menus. If I click ornaments, lights will contract and you'll see all the ornaments. If I click the decor, you'll see all our decor options and the other two will contract. So you can easily navigate in between all the different menus this way. And this way it's really easy to navigate. But we're going to start with C9s today, which is typically what you're going to do for most of your installs on your home roof lines. So once we've selected C9s, and in your previous step you've already placed your yardstick, you'll be able to choose between single or multicolor lights. If you're doing single, you can just simply select the type of light that you want, and from there, the spacing that you're installing in real life, be that 12-inch spacing or 15-inch spacing. If you're doing commercial work, it might be 18 or 24 or even up to 36. And if you're doing wedding or small event planning, it might be more custom in that 6 to 9-inch spacing range. But typically for Christmas and holiday, you're going to see that 12 to 15. After that, just, select the items you want. If we're doing multi, you can select whatever colors you want. Just select the little X next to the first dot that you'll see, and then select whatever pattern that you want to. So double reds, triple white, whatever pattern you want. And just select the little X to get rid of anything that you don't want. So for this particular design, we're just going to do a nice candy cane, just red and white. We'll select our 15-inch spacing, and now we are ready to draw. This is also how to draw. There are 3 ways: strand, trace, and single light. For strand, all you're going to do is click, hold down, and then release. That's it. For trace, which is good for curves, you don't have to hold down. It just connects your clicks. So click, click. You can see it's already ready to connect my next click. If you do gradual clicks, click, 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 you can create shapes. That is going to be useful for things like curvy garden beds, turrets on a home, anything of that sort. If you are using that trace option and you're clicking and you need it to stop connecting, just simply pull your cursor off the design canvas and it will stop right there. You see that we have the undo, redo button right at the top. If you make a mistake on any kind of light, all you need to do is select the light that you need and just grab the little ears, the little red ones you see on each end, one here, and you can change the angle, you can expand, you can do anything you need to. While it's highlighted, we can change the spacing if we want to, whatever works for you. If you've drawn several items, so maybe we're drawing a few different ones and maybe we decide, you know what, I don't think candy cane is going to be something that works for this particular client. I think we should just go with a whole different color. You do not have to worry about redrawing everything. All you have to do is click your Select All C9 button here at the top. It will pre-select everything for you, and then we can just switch over to maybe just more white if that's what we want. Or maybe everything does need to be in that 12-inch rather than the 15-inch spacing. Maybe it was a mistake. So all of these make your design quick and easy to do. You can also duplicate items pretty easily as well. So if you have something that needs to be done several times, you can use the duplicate button on the right under remove from design. You can remove it from design, of course. You can also use shortcuts on your keyboard, Control Copy, Control Paste or the delete button all work just fine. And as you're doing this, our software is helping you to measure. You can find that estimation underneath under our quick estimate, which will be featured in our next video.